In this video, we'll discuss the Property or Parcel Mapping tool in ITICnxt. The Property tool lets you create excavation entities based on existing parcel data. The Property tool is perfect for jobs that take place within the property boundaries of a specific address. Select the Property tool from the Drawing Tools menu. You may need to zoom in a bit before the Property tool appears in the menu. Click the property where the work will take place. If parcel data is available, the entire property will be highlighted at first. Use the checkboxes to select what parts of the property will be involved in the excavation. The excavation entity will adjust to match your selections. If you choose any of the road right-of-way options, the entity will expand accordingly. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.